Gucci! Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Seyi and this is the Daily Seyi. On this channel, I share fashion styling videos, fashion hauls, beauty and skincare tips, along with some life and home things coming soon. So if any of that is of any interest to you, then please feel free to subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in and being a real one. So today, I am sharing I think I would say my first like luxury purchase, at least like more on the higher tier of luxury purchases, not the highest tier, not a Hermes, okay? But I am sharing my first Gucci. So I've been eyeing this particular bag for a bit and I saw another blogger, her name is Monroe Still, popular here on YouTube and on Instagram, but I saw her post it and I was like, oh, that's really cute. And I was actually looking for a bag kind of like that. I really do enjoy bags, I realize, and it's almost as much as I enjoy shoes. I'm realizing, like, I think I'm becoming to be a bag girl. I think I'm becoming a bag girl. But this particular bag was something that I felt like was a little bit unique, botanicals, because obviously there's multiple versions of the bag, but I felt like it was kind of unique to me at least. And I really like things that have structure. And so obviously a lot of these, luxury bags are pretty structured. There's that, but this one is a bit more structured than usual, just in shape and whatnot. So anyway, I went to Rodeo Drive with my friends and yeah, we had a date on Rodeo Drive. We had brunch and then we decided to do some shopping and we went into basically all of the stores. We knew that we each wanted to get a luxury item. That was definitely on the list of things to get. And so yeah, I decided to get this Gucci bag. So I already did an unboxing. It's on my Instagram right now, but Gucci has all these brands have very nice boxing, but I really like the actual box of this Gucci bag. Like, it's embroidered and it's just very fancy. Like, I'm going to keep this box for something, I don't know what, but I'm not throwing it away. She is not being thrown away. But when you open it, it's pretty traditional. The wrapping paper all matches the box on the outside, which is also very nice. And then it comes in this bag. Like I said, I already unboxed this, so I literally just put it all back in there just for the sake of opening it up again. Call me extra. But yes, here comes in this like nice little canvas tote, says Gucci on it. Also keeping this tote. And here is the bag. Isn't she so pretty? So I decided to get the Gucci Horsebit Mini 1955. I feel like I'm mixing around those words. I think it's the Gucci Mini Horsebit 1955. And this is like the Horsebit kind of situation they got going on. And I know for some people, they don't really like when logos are just on the bag, but I feel like for this one, it's kind of subtle in a way where it's like printed. And I honestly don't mind monogrammed bags. Like my first Coach bag is monogrammed and it's basically like black and then a monogram. And I'll put a link here if you want to see my Coach unboxing video, which is so crazy because when I first got that Coach bag, that was literally the end of last year. And I was like, oh my God, this is my first kind of like more expensive bag, which it was. And here we are 6 months later. How time flies and how much things can change in 6 months. Anyway, the Gucci Mini Horsebit 1955. So oh God, do you guys see how structured this bag is? This is what I'm talking about. Like, it is this rectangular shape, which I do like. And it has this top handle, kind of like a chocolatey tan brown color trim and, obviously the monogram print. What I also really like is that the inside is not a zipper, but it's more of like a magnetic clasp, which is also pretty nice. So it can automatically close on its own. And here is the inside. It is pretty deep, which I like. And it does have these kind of like side pocket situations going on. So there's about 4 different side pockets and it's a fairly deep bag, which I do appreciate. It says Gucci on the inside, as all bags do. I paired it with a couple outfits already just to see if it, works with different looks, and it really does. Even the outfit I was wearing, I'll insert a video here of me wearing the outfit that I wore to shop. It was very simple. And my shirt was blue and it still matched the vibe. And so I feel like this is a bag that will definitely go with multiple looks, which is why I really wanted it. But also I think it's just a nice, unique looking bag to have in a collection. Gucci has kind of like that not the quilted like Chanel, but like that quilted kind of patterned bags. They have the Dionysus. They also have sort of like the ones that have like the red and green kind of Gucci color staple. And while all those are very nice, and I'm not gonna never say never because you just never know, I just really wanted a bag that kind of felt really like me in this moment. And this bag definitely is that. Like, I love a good top handle bag. Honestly, it just makes me feel like I have my life together. I don't know what it is. It's kind of giving me a little bit of New York vibes. It's definitely giving me more like East Coast, not really LA, but people always tell me that they feel like I'm from the East Coast, and I'm like, but I'm not. So it's definitely giving me my little East Coast vibe that, you know, I guess I ooze out to people. But yeah, let me show you the crossbody. So the strap is here. Love the hardware. Literally, again, the hardware is really one of the things that really caught my eye. Like when the lady was, you know, showing it to me, I literally told my friends, I was like, but look at this clasp though. Look at this clasp though. You can basically clip it in on the two sides. So there's two opposite sides to clip it in the front and in the back. And it's sort of kind of like diagonal, I guess I would say. And yeah, has a pretty long strap. So you can wear it as a crossbody. You can adjust the strap to make it longer so you can kind of cross it around you or do like a shoulder strap bag. But either way, still very nice. Works really well with different outfits. And I think that even with the crossbody strap, it definitely gives you a different vibe and a different look. It kind of makes it just a little bit more casual if that's what you're going for. Or you can also just, you know, dress it up depending on whatever you're wearing. So yes, here is my Gucci bag and I love it. A very happy investment. I believe with tax and everything, this came out to about $1,900. So that is the standard price, at least in Los Angeles, with tax and everything. Again, I got it in store, so they packed it all for me, and I love it. I love it so much. Honorary mention. I also got a YSL wallet. Now, I really needed a wallet. My last wallet was from Target, and honestly, that wallet lasted me like 3 years. Okay, 3 years is over exaggerated. I think it lasted me like 2 years. It was a really good wallet. It did what it had to do, but you know, being 30, being older, you know, kind of like having my life established a little bit, kind of ish. I just wanted a wallet that felt a little grown. So I decided to get this YSL one. I decided to get it in this green color because, hey, why not? This was about $300 and it's really sturdy. Like, my cards are in there. And I do prefer wallets like this mainly because I don't like to carry around a whole bunch of stuff in a wallet. I'm not really a cash carrier, so this definitely prevents me from really carrying a whole bunch of cash. Especially with the bags I carry, I like to make sure I have maximum space, and so I always like to go with a card holder wallet. It's just easy for me and it's more convenient. But yes, those are the things I bought when I was on a Rodeo Drive, and can't wait to go back. I already have my eye on a YSL bag. I think I'm going to get that YSL bag kind of soon. I saw it and I saw it online again, and yeah, I really like it. It's a shoulder bag and it looks really good, and it is black. So, you know, I do think I should have a black bag in my collection, like a good black bag. And I realized I don't have any black bags. So I think I'm gonna get that. Life is meant to be enjoyed. And if you want a Gucci bag, go get yourself a Gucci bag. If you want a Dior bag, go get it. If you want a Prada bag, live your life. If you want a YSL wallet, do your thing. If you want Hermes, if you got it like that, then go ahead. I hope that you enjoyed this little bitty unboxing, and I cannot wait to style this bag multiple times. You will see it very frequently in pictures, in videos, in styling videos, so just be prepared. But yes, I appreciate y'all for watching as always, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Until next time, bye.